Hi everyone, we are One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. Our mission? We're all about empowering individuals by breaking down those tech barriers and boosting digital participation. We're not just talking the talk, either. A big chunk of the profits we make goes right back into the community, fueling free IT classes and befriending events. Now, let's talk websites. Think of your website like a car. It needs regular tune-ups, oil changes, and the occasional wash to keep it running smoothly. Well, same goes for your website. Keeping your website in tip-top shape is an ongoing thing. It's about making sure it's running smoothly, securely, and delivering that A+ user experience. So, buckle up as we take you through this comprehensive guide to website maintenance. We'll be covering all the essential tasks, best practices, and even some handy troubleshooting tips to keep your website in mint condition. Let's kick things off with the essentials of website upkeep. First up, content. Your website's content is its heart and soul. It's what draws people in and keeps them engaged. Regularly update your information and add new content. Now, let's talk performance. Would you stick around if a website took ages to load? Probably not. Analytics tools track crucial metrics like page load speed and bounce rate. This data helps you understand what's working and what needs tweaking. Broken links are like potholes on the internet highway. Nobody likes hitting them. Regularly scan your site for broken links and fix them ASAP. Keep your website platform, plugins, and themes up to date. Updates often come with crucial security patches and performance improvements. Let's dive into something critical: website security. Build a digital fortress around your site. Start with strong, unique passwords. Regular backups are like having a spare key. SSL certificates encrypt data, creating a secure tunnel. Regularly scan for malware. Firewalls block unauthorized access. Website security is an ongoing process. If you found this video helpful, do us a solid and hit that like button. Accessibility for everyone. Building an inclusive web. Let's talk about making sure your website is accessible to everyone. First up, let's talk WCAG compliance. WCAG stands for Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. These guidelines cover areas like color contrast and text alternatives for images. Alternative text provides a description of images for screen readers. Ensure your website can be navigated using only a keyboard. And don't forget, mobile optimization for different screen sizes. User-friendly design. Making your site a joy to use. We've talked about making your website accessible, but what about making it user-friendly? You want your visitors to have a smooth and enjoyable experience, right? This is where user experience, or UX, comes in. First impressions matter, and your website's navigation is often the first thing visitors interact with. A clear and intuitive navigation structure helps visitors find what they're looking for quickly and easily. But good UX goes beyond just navigation. A visually appealing and easy-to-use design keeps visitors engaged. Speaking of reading, let's talk about loading times. No one wants to wait around for a slow website to load. A faster website improves user experience and boosts search engine rankings. Website optimization, boosting visibility and performance. We've covered a lot of ground, but we're not done yet. Let's talk about website optimization. Think of it as the secret sauce that can take your website from good to great. We'll start with the big one, search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is all about making your website more visible in search engine results pages, or SERPs. The higher you rank, the more likely people are to find your website. It's a complex field, but some basic SEO best practices include using relevant keywords in your content, optimizing your website structure for crawlability, and building high-quality backlinks. But SEO isn't just about keywords and backlinks. It's also about providing a great user experience. We talked about page speed optimization earlier, and it plays a crucial role in SEO as well. Search engines like Google prioritize websites that load quickly, so make sure your site is optimized for speed. Now, if you're a local business, local SEO is your best friend. This involves optimizing your website for local searches, such as restaurants near me or best coffee shops in your city. Make sure your business is listed on Google My Business. Use local keywords in your content and encourage customer reviews. Level up your website. So, there you have it. A crash course in website maintenance. We've covered everything from the essential upkeep tasks to the nitty-gritty of security and optimization. Remember, a well-maintained website is a happy website, and a happy website makes for happy visitors. And hey, if you're feeling a little overwhelmed or just want some expert help, you know where to find us. OneConnect CIC is here to take the headache out of website maintenance. We offer professional services to keep your website running smoothly, so you can focus on what you do best. Check our description below for more information. If you found this video helpful, do us a solid and hit that like button. And while you're at it, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. We've got a whole library of content to help you navigate the digital world with confidence. Until next time, stay safe and keep those websites running smoothly.